This is Jeff with Eternity Shore with a quick intro to this video. I'd love to get your comments about this. I have seen tons of videos on YouTube about how to get rid of oxidation off your boat, from compounding to polishing to waxing, what kind of buffer to use, what kind of pads to use. And I never know what I should do. What do you guys do? If you don't pay a pro to do it, if you do it yourself, what do you do to keep your boat the way it is? So check out this video. This is me desperate to get the boat ready to go in the water. The boat's already in the water, but this was my last minute scramble to finish, especially areas below the water line. Okay, it was supposed to rain all day today. It's not raining, and we have a little break in the action. So as of filming date, this is Monday, April 1st. We were supposed to put in April 3rd, Wednesday. We pushed that back to April 6th, Saturday. Most everything is quote unquote done, but I have not waxed. You can see that the red stripe. So what I'm doing right now is got my marine compound. I got my buffer, and I've taped most of this on the port side. So you can see the difference here. This is what I've started doing right here. But so I gotta finish doing this. We'll see how far I can get. All right, this is the finished product of the stripe. I got most of the oxidation off. It's just little places where it's faded still, but that's okay. This area is not great here. I'll have to do that again. Just for comparison, this is the starboard side. I'm gonna take the tape off, and I might be able to do some waxing here, though I'm kind of running out of time. All right, while I was here, I got rid of the white scuff marks. There are other marks on this boat. That is ugly, and that is from a fender that got Sikaflex on it and left all kinds of crap here. But I got the white scuff marks off for now, and I used acetone, which is the only way I could get it off, with acetone. And then after acetone, I did immediately put soapy water so this acetone wouldn't stay. All right, this is 24 hours before our launch, and what I'm trying to do before this goes in the water is to take care of these scuff marks. This discolorization right here is what I'm after, and I was able to do it here. This is just compound right now, so this has not been waxed, but I'm hoping to finish compounding probably up through this spot right here, I might do that, but that's above the water line. I can get that afterwards if I need to. Last minute details. All right, this is afterwards. I think I got most of the yucky stuff off, but it's a bit faded now because of the compound. I'm gonna try to wax it and bring out the shine a bit. Okay, this is the result of compounding and waxing. So it's a little bit better now. At least I think it is. I get myself in there. So from the stripe up to the rub rail, and right past this portal has all been compounded and waxed. Just those 2 steps. Last year we hired somebody to do the detailing and she did a great job. This year we're not doing that. I ran out of time, but I waxed from the red stripe down here, and then from here down, about halfway between the portals. On the starboard side, I did red line down, so she can go in the water. The other thing I did not do is wasn't able to do the red stripe on the starboard side in terms of compounding. I did wax it, but I did not compound it because I ran out of time. She's going in tomorrow, ready or not. This is Jeff with Eternity Shore. Thank you for watching. As always, love the comments. Ciao.